Magandang gabi, this is Eds Gabral. I am the current national chairperson of the Katipunan ng mga Sangguniang Mag-aaral sa UP or kasama sa UP. And we are here now in Vincent's Hall, UP Diliman, where Tulong Kabataan UP System is being held. So, Tulong Kabataan UP System is a national and system-wide effort initiated by the Office of the Student Regent in response to the recent disaster and devastation caused by Super Typhoon Yolanda. This is an endeavor to facilitate the immediate relief and rehabilitation of all our kababayans in the Visayan region who have been affected by the recent typhoon. So, I will show you around the... Since we started our operations last Sunday, we have been receiving tons of donations, both from the members of the UP community and other sectors of the society, as well as private companies and other individuals who have been very much willing to help our kababayans in the Visayan region. Here you see, this is the repacking section for the clothes donations. At first, we planned that all goods will be sorted here, but due to the influx of goods coming from these donors, this section has been allotted only for clothes. Kuya Fred, doon na po tayo.